Hey everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing of this pretty large box of cars I received. Once again, let's see what's in here. Now I know for sure there's a double in here, but I'm going to be probably not opening that up. Even though it's common. Most of the cars in here is common, they're not worth much. Maybe like few cents a piece if you were to sell them. More like 50 cents, probably. Okay. Part open. Got this open here. Go around in this part. And we have here, what do we have here? Let's see. What we got here? Got a bunch of things here. So the first car I'm going to start out with today, and I'm going to unbox these as time goes, as I do them. This is the Buick Wildcat. So it's number 597, right here. I like the red. It has 7-spoke wheels. This is Buick Wildcat on it. It's number 597. Let me get this open. It's pretty cool. Not that hard to find, so out you come. Now, obviously, most of these are going to be open. Again, there is a duplicate in here that I bought by mistake, so I'm not going to open that one up. But I'll show you guys what it is. Then we have the Power Pistons. That's from the Techno Bits series. Let me get this one open. This is like already kind of opened. Get that out of here. So it says Net on the front. Put that right here. Let's see what else we got here. I'm going to take out the rest of this here. Just all at once. And I'm going to do a review on all of them as time goes by. So I'll put them down over here. And then I'll do them one by one for you guys. So the next one we're going to be doing will be the Purple Passion, number 87. This one's a little bit more hard to find compared to some of the other Hot Wheels. This is one of the ones I would pay actually $2-3 for because of its rarity. Pretty much. So let me get this one open. I'm not going to keep this in the packaging despite its rarity. It's not really worth doing that. So let me get him out of here. So that's it. That card is pretty much mutilated, but that's okay. It's a nice car. I like this car quite a lot. And then we're going to get open... Let's see what's next. So we have the regular Dodge Ram 1500, number 797. This one's the version that has a top on it, because if you remember, guys, I showed you a version that had no top. It's kind of weird. Then we have the Pipe Jammer, number 206. This one's a blue card. And I'm going to get this one open. There's not much to say about this one. This is just the Pipe Jammer. Let's see if I can get the package open. It seems like it's really hard. There we go. So now here it is. Here's the Pipe Jammer. It's pretty cool. Now I'm going to do the Corvette Stingray, 63 Corvette. It's pretty nice. Race Team Series 4. Number 728. Not bad. Get that open. Crack that. Here's the Corvette Stingray. It's a race team vehicle. That over there. And this is the Flame Stopper. I'm going to keep this in the package because this is a duplicate. Biohazard Series, number 718. And it does have a cracked bubble, unfortunately. So that's every time I want to keep a car in the packaging, the bubble's cracked. That stinks. Oh, well. I'm not going to open it, but that's disappointing. I'm going to show you guys up close. This is like a fluorescent orange. Let me put that right there. Let me do the Goodyear Blimp, which is number 194. It's another blue card. And turn the fin. I'm not going to turn the fin, but because it's probably fragile. But let me see here what's going on. Yeah, actually, it's not bad.